Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best gas water heaters you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many gas water heaters and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each gas water heaters so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a gas water heater. First, check the capacity that suits your household size and water usage needs. A larger family will need a bigger tank, while smaller homes can save energy with compact models. Next, look for energy efficiency ratings, as higher efficiency means lower gas consumption and bills. Safety features are also essential, such as automatic shut-off systems and flame failure protection. Consider the type of venting system your home can support, whether it's direct vent, power vent, or natural draft. Durability and warranty length can help you avoid costly repairs later. Lastly, evaluate installation and maintenance requirements to ensure proper performance and longevity. Choosing wisely will provide steady hot water and long-term savings. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides.